Tip number 288 from the book 501 Contractor Tips. This might be a no brainer for some of you, but if you're just getting in the business, pay attention. Floor plans are very important, they are part of the building plans. And if you don't understand every part about them, you could have some problems. Now, there are contractors who do not need to understand or have the ability to read blueprints. If you're a repair contractor, maybe you're a roofing contractor, this isn't going to be rocket science here. You're going to need a few things on the plans. You're not going to need to know everything about the construction of a building. And me as a general contractor and a framing contractor, this was very important. If they say that a wall needs to be 5 foot and you think you can make it 4 foot 11, might not work, especially in a bathroom with a bathtub. So I don't need to make a long video on this. I am going to put a link here that you can go if you don't know much about floor plans or blueprints. I've already made a few videos that might be helpful, and you can go check those out to give you a better idea of what a floor plan would be you'd be dealing with, and other parts of the building also.